This monkey bread was really delicious. This was what I was wanting during Christmas and I didn't get to make it, so I made it today. And I really feel like my Christmas is complete now. And it really is one of my favorite things to eat during the holidays. Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making monkey bread. And I wanted to make this during Christmas holidays, but I didn't get around to it, so I'm making it today. And it's going to be a really easy recipe, and it's one that we enjoy during the holidays. And since I didn't get any, I wanted some for today. So let me get started on this easy recipe. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is mix my sugar and cinnamon together, and this will be in the description below, the recipe. Okay. Got that all mixed up. Okay. So now I'm going to be melting my butter and my sugar in my saucepan while I assemble the rest of my recipe. Put a stick of butter and some brown sugar. Now then, I'm going to do the dangerous part, opening the biscuits. I don't like doing this. Woo! All right, that wasn't too bad this time. Okay. I'm going to start by getting my biscuits flattened out. You can use a rolling pin, or you can do it this way. Okay, I think that's about big enough right there. So I'm going to put just a little bit of cinnamon on it and then put some cream cheese in it. And you just pinch it together and put it in your pan. I also sprayed this Bundt pan before I started, so now I'm putting some pecans on the bottom. Pecans or pecans. Okay. Okay. Now then, I've already got this one with some cinnamon sugar and some cream cheese in it. So I'm going to put it in the bottom. So now I'm going to do some more of this. You can use a rolling pin if you want to. Okay. Get some cinnamon sugar here. Okay, let's put a piece of cream cheese in here. Let's pinch this together and roll it up. Okay, there we go. So now then I'm going to sprinkle a little of this brown sugar and cinnamon over my biscuits. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to put some brown sugar mixture over them. Okay, so I have my brown sugar mixture over it. So now I'm going to put in some more pecans. I put less pecans in my recipe than what it said, and I still think there's a lot of pecans in it. Okay, so now then let me do the dangerous part again. Okay. Oh my goodness, I didn't have to do too much to that can. It was ready for me. Okay. So now I'm going to sprinkle some more sugar on it. Just have a little bit of sugar mixture left, so I'm going to mix it with my liquid. So now I'm going to pour in my liquid mixture. It's pretty thick. Okay, so I have my sugar and cinnamon and butter mixture on my monkey bread. So now I'm going to put the rest of my nuts, or pecans. Some people use walnuts, but I just had pecans, so I used what I had. Okay. So I have my monkey bread assembled now, and so I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Hi everyone, I'm back, and boy does this house smell good. I love the way that monkey bread makes your house smell. And there's all different ways to make monkey bread, and some people call it gorilla bread when they make it with larger biscuits, and some people use pizza dough to make it. Like I say, there's just all different ways. I use cream cheese in mine. Some people don't put cream cheese in it. Some people leave the nuts out, but it's when you have a recipe, just make it, go by it and just make it how you want to. So now I'm going to be doing the hard part, and I hope my monkey bread comes out. So y'all wish me luck. Now I'm fixing to do the taste test, and I cooked this monkey bread for 30 minutes, and so let me taste it. And it's still very warm. This is really delicious. So I hope everyone had a very Merry Christmas, and hope we all have a better New Year. So everyone, do what you love and love what you do, and bye.